Cars have evaporative emission control system EVAP canisters to absorb and store gasoline vapors. This plays a significant role in environmental and pollution control. When the EVAP canister goes bad, your car generates a lot of problems. From engine malfunction, poor gas mileage, reduced engine performance, and the engine not starting, the common problems of a bad EVAP canister are numerous. But does a bad EVAP canister cause stalling? In this video, we explore essential things you should know about a bad EVAP canister and its impact on your vehicle. Will a bad EVAP canister cause stalling? Yes. A bad EVAP canister will cause stalling, but it greatly depends on how bad the EVAP canister has gone. When the EVAP canister goes bad, there is a buildup of fumes in the canister. This generates a seizure in the engine, leading to engine stalling. In most cases, a bad canister will stall after contamination with liquid fuel. When the canister is full of liquid fuel, your car generates a rich, lean oxygen sensor code due to a rich mixture. When the liquid fuel runs to the engine through the canister purge valve, or the canister purge valve is in an open position, the engine will likely stall. A bad EVAP canister can cause engine stalling through its leaks and cracks. Where there is a leak in the EVAP canister, the purge solenoid can open, causing a large sip of air into your engine. Can an EVAP leak cause a vehicle to stall? An EVAP leak can cause a vehicle to stall, but there are more issues that you should worry about. An EVAP leak can also impact your gas mileage and affect your engine performance. The damage to your car depends on the extent of a leak or how bad the EVAP system has gone. In most cases, if the damage to the solenoid reaches an incredible level, your car's engine will stall out completely. These leaks can run from the vacuum feed line, control valves, or charcoal canisters. Common symptoms of a bad EVAP canister. Engine stalling is not the only symptom of a bad EVAP canister. Here are some common symptoms of a bad EVAP canister. Poor gas mileage. Reduced engine performance. Engine stalling. Check engine light comes on. Rough idling. Failed emissions test. Gas odor. Difficulty filling up your gas tank. Does EVAP system affect performance? Yes. Your EVAP system controls your engine performance and the combustion process of your car. From a conceptual view, an EVAP system controls gaseous exchange in your car. It also ensures that gaseous odors don't seep into your cabin. But it goes beyond just controlling the release of gases. It influences the performance of your engine. The EVAP system works as an internal recycling system. Although it cannot lead to imminent damage to your vehicle, it can trigger a check engine light. The EVAP system can influence the gas-air mixture ratio of air in the fuel system. Can an EVAP leak cause loss of power? An EVAP leak can cause a loss of power, but won't necessarily kill your engine completely. You will notice a loss of power in your engine performance, including less acceleration and sluggish movements. Can an EVAP leak cause bad gas mileage? An EVAP leak can cause bad gas mileage, even if you don't notice it. During an EVAP leak, the fuel vapors that should be sent through for combustion either get mixed with air or are sent into the open space. This reduces your car's fuel efficiency. Summary. Several things can happen if you drive with a bad EVAP canister. The damage goes beyond engine stalling. You also place other road users in harm's way. It is your responsibility to take good care of your car, so do not overlook minor issues. Always take your car to a professional repair shop when the need arises. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.